Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. Hopefully it's not too bouncy. I'm walking around, but something I noticed today. I'm down here in Las Vegas, handful of business meetings, a lot of stuff going on. Holy cow, the bro hawk is so messed up. Let's get that fixed. Now I look like Bam Bam. What blows me away is that the temperament of the people shopping, really mellow, really quiet, where usually, you know, you're in a big mall and there's all kinds of stuff going on. There's a lot of hustle and bustle. And this should be like peak season for people to be in Las Vegas spending money. But it's totally different. Hopefully you guys can hear me too, because I'm just dealing with the cell phone. But it's this sort of really mellow. I'm not seeing a lot of buying, but what I am seeing is tons of sale pressure. Now, some of the stores I went to today, like Buckle and other stores, they've always had great customer service. But what I'm really noticing is the pressure of people to sell. I'm also noticing in the stores a lot of people that are outside of the stores trying to bring the people inside to buy. I can only imagine. You know, I used to work retail when I was young, long time ago, for about 5 years, and there was no pressure to sell. The customers would come in because they were looking to buy things. Whereas now, not only do I see people literally having to go outside and pull people in, but on top of that, I'm seeing guards everywhere. And I don't know if that's a sign of the times because of these flash mobs that are going on, but it's really, really interesting. You know, we're supposed to be already out of COVID and all those restrictions where you can only let so many people into the store, yet most of the places have guards still here, have to let you into the store. And I think that is very, very interesting. You know, on a day like today where the markets are just tanking right now, they're hemorrhaging, and I believe honestly that we're going to see even more of that, more hemorrhaging going on. You have to sit and think, like, do people just even walking around have any idea what's going on with the markets? Why the Fed's raising rates? Why the markets are hemorrhaging? You know, it's almost like I still believe like 90% of people have no concept of what's going on, what's happening right now on Wall Street. And, you know, I was sitting with a buddy today that did very well in the markets. You know, as a matter of fact, even with today's carnage, his numbers are still really good, but it's because he's hedging himself, right? He went long gold before the Russia-Ukraine incident. Things like that really set his portfolio apart from the rest. But you have to think, the average person's portfolio is in like a 401k, something that they just sort of let somebody else manage. They don't think about it. And those managers are out trying to either move their money to make the most amount of return for them, right? And they're not really thinking of the long term. Most people that manage portfolios, what's sad, if you think about it, the average age is low, young. A lot of these people that manage millions, if not billions of dollars, have not been investors in the last market downturn. I mean, we've had 2 market downturns, knocked out 50% of the valuation of the Dow Jones. NASDAQ was even worse. 2 of those in the last 20 years. And to sit there and think that this time's not gonna be worse is absolutely mind-blowing to me. So anyway, it's just one of those moments. I'm walking around, I don't wanna spend any money. I mean, I wanna spend money, but I don't wanna spend money, right? I was literally in a store earlier today and I'm looking at all these prices and people are putting sales up, and I'm like, you know how much cheaper this is gonna be as everything comes crashing down and nobody's in these malls? I'm like, I'll just wait a little bit. I'll wait a half a year to get all that stuff that I want at a deeper discount. So anyway, guys, hope you have a great day. Sorry, everything's turned around. I got the camera on me. I wanna make sure that I'm in the frame and it's not like, hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. You don't wanna see that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Economic Ninja is out.